Hello kids, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing great. And firstly, we will talk about the password. Welcome back to our EVS class. So our password of the day is Frost. F-R-O-S-T, Frost. So what is the meaning of Frost? I told you in the previous session in keywords. We have done this word, right? Frost. Frost means weather condition when the temperature is below the 0 degree Celsius. 0 degree Celsius से जब कम temperature हो जाए, means इतनी ज़्यादा ठंड हो जाती है ना, thin layer of snow forms on the ground. आइस की एक थिन लेयर बन जाती है ग्राउंड पे, देन इतनी ज़्यादा ठंड हो जाती है, उस वर्ड को बोलते हैं हम फ्रोस्ट. F-R-O-S-T, frost. So first of all I will tell you about the previous session. Hope you all have seen the video. So in that video we have done keywords, right? We have done very short question answers. We have done 2 short question answers also. And you are supposed to do in your EVS notebook. I hope you all have done that, right? So what is our today's session work? In today's session what we will do is we will do pending short question answers and long question answers. Now let's start the class and open your book and start writing with me. Your writing should be good. Yes. So again I am repeating, password of the day is Frost. F-R-O-S-T, Frost. Yes, we have done these keywords. Keywords was sources, constituents, streams, impurities, evaporation, moisture, exposed, condensation, dew, frost and vapors. We have done these keywords and then we have done very short question answers. The first question was name 4 natural sources of water. 4 natural sources of water are, it can be rain, ocean, stream, ponds, rivers, lakes, any you can write. And then second question was how much portion of the earth's surface do ocean cover? Ocean कितना earth का surface cover करते हैं? I told you. Yes, so more than 2/3 of the earth's surface is covered with the ocean. And ocean is the largest source of water. And the third question was what is the process of water vapor changing into water called? Process of water vapor changing into water. जब water vapor means water vapor are in the gas form like steam. Steam is the main example of gas. Gas is converted into again water and that process is known as condensation. That process is known as condensation. And we have done 2 short question answers. The first question was what is underground water? Underground water क्या होता है? When it rains, some rains goes down the ground. कुछ rain का water ground के अंदर गया and that water is known as underground water. And the second question was how do we get underground water? How do we get underground water? हम underground water को surface तक कैसे ला सकते हैं और हम उसे कैसे use कर सकते हैं? We get underground water with help of tube wells, wells and hand pumps. Clear? Now we are going to start our question number 3rd and the date is 20th May 2020. Write down the date. Okay, and day is Wednesday. Wednesday is your homework day also. So today I will give you homework and write here classwork. And we are starting with the short question answer. So question number 3rd is, yes, why do wet cloths means गीले कपड़े, why do wet cloths dry quickly on a why do wet clothes dry quickly? Quickly means jaldi. Why do wet clothes dry quickly on a windy day? On a windy day. Windy day means जब विंड चल रही होती है, बहुत ज्यादा हवा चल रही होती है, दैट. सो व्हाई डू वेट क्लोथ्स ड्राई, जल्दी क्यों सूख जाते हैं जब वाइंडी डे होता है? सो आंसर इज, firstly write this question. I am telling you the answer of this question. Yes, so wet cloths dry quickly, wet cloths dry quickly on a windy day, on a windy day, because water evaporates means water converted into water vapor. Water evaporates faster when the weather is windy. When the weather is windy. Yes. So wet clothes जल्दी किस लिए सूखते हैं? Wet clothes dry quickly on a windy day because I told you about 4 factors of evaporation, right? The 4 factors, उनमें से ये one factor था, जब windy day होता है तब हमारे wet clothes जल्दी किस लिए dry हो जाते हैं? Just because water evaporates faster when the weather is windy. जब weather windy होता है तो water जल्दी से जल्दी evaporate करता है. Told you about the 4 factors. Hope आप सबको वो 4 factors याद होंगे. So write this question and then we will do question number 4. And one more thing I want to tell you, there is a little change in questions. Like in your book, I can show you. So in your book, there is some little change in the question. Question 4th is given, we cannot live without water, but we still keep wasting it. So I change the question and आप वही question note कीजिएगा, not this one. Yes, I am erasing it. Now question number 4 is, what is evaporation? What is evaporation? All of you know the answer maybe because we have done it many times. What is evaporation? So evaporation is a process by which water changes into water vapor. Water which is in liquid form, right? And water vapor is in gaseous form. So water converted into water vapor means liquid is going to convert in gaseous form. Understand? Now write the answer. The process by which water, कौन सी form में है water? Water is in liquid form. Yes, so we will write it in bracket. Water is in liquid form, the process by which water, and in bracket you will write liquid. Okay, changes water, liquid, that is, which changes into water vapor, changes into water vapor. Water vapor is in gas form. So write gas in bracket. Due to heating. Heating की वजह से ही water evaporate होता है, right? Due to heating is called evaporation. Process by which water that is in liquid form changes into water vapor which are in gaseous form due to heating is called evaporation. Understand? Write it, and then we will start with the long question answers, and there is also little change in our long question answers. Hope you have done this. I'm erasing it, and if somebody is left with it, I will send a PDF file so you can note it down from that also. What was the password of the day? Hope you all remembered. Frost. Password of the day is frost. भूलना नहीं है इसे. And now we are starting with the long question answer. Make a heading of this. Write question number first. List any three factors. List any three factors that affect means जो उस पे प्रभाव पड़ता है. List any three factors that affect evaporation. जो evaporation को affect करते हैं, हमें कोई भी 3 factors बताने हैं. मैंने आपको 4 factors बताए थे. In the previous sessions, we had done 4 factors. From that, we have to write only 3 factors. कोई भी 3 factors हम लिख सकते हैं. Now write this question, then we will start with the answer. First was the windy weather. Windy weather, and second is temperature, and third is exposed surface area. So we will write it one by one. First is windy weather. W-I-N-D-Y W-E-A-T-H-E-R. Windy weather. Make it a good write it in good handwriting, and इसको एक heading में बनाकर लिखना है. So because A part is windy weather. A factor, first factor कर रहे हैं हम अभी. So evaporation rate R-A-T-E rate. Evaporation rate is faster. Evaporation rate is faster when the weather is windy. When the weather is windy. जब वेदर विंडी होता है तो इवेपोरेट फास्ट होता है. अभी हमने प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन में भी किया. व्हाट वाज द क्वेश्चन? लाइक व्हाई डू वेट क्लोथ्स ड्राई क्विकली ऑन अ विंडी डे? क्योंकि इवेपोरेशन फास्टर होता है उसमें. सो दैट इज द सेम फैक्टर. इवेपोरेशन रेट इज फास्टर व्हेन द वेदर इज विंडी. नाउ the B factor means second factor is temperature. T-E-M-P-E-R-A-T-U-R-E. Temperature. Again, learn this spelling. T-E-M-P-E-R-A-T-U-R-E. Temperature. Yes. Now write evaporation rate. Evaporation rate is directly affected. अब evaporation directly affect हो रहा है just by the temperature. T-E-M-P-E-R-A-T-U-R-E. Temperature. Evaporation rate is directly affected by the temperature. अब directly कौन इफेक्ट कर रहा है evaporation को? Heat means temperature. जो temperature से affect होगा. And then write if the temperature is high. If the temperature is high. जब temperature ज़्यादा है. if the temperature is high, and then we will put a comma. If the temperature is high, जब high होगा temperature तब क्या होगा? Evaporation fast होगा, right? The evaporation rate will be faster. Rate will be faster. और अगर टेम्परेचर लो होगा, मीन्स कम होगा टेम्परेचर, तो इवेपोरेशन फास्ट नहीं होगा, इवेपोरेशन भी स्लो होगा. अब यू कैन टेक अ एग्जाम्पल, लाइक अगर जिस दिन सनलाइट ज़्यादा, टेम्परेचर ज़्यादा होता है सनलाइट का, उस दिन आपके जो वेट क्लोथ्स हैं वो जल्दी ड्राई हो जाएंगे. बट अगर सनलाइट का टेम्परेचर लो है, ज़्यादा तेज सनलाइट नहीं है, देन हमारे वेट क्लोथ्स जल्दी ड्राई नहीं होंगे. इट विल टेक टाइम. अंडरस्टैंड? सो दीज वर द टू फैक्टर्स. वन मोर फैक्टर इज लेफ्ट. आई एम इरेजिंग इट एंड आई एम राइटिंग हियर. होप यू हैव wrote the question. So I am writing here C part. Yes, so C part was exposed surface area. EXPOSD, exposed. I told you what is the meaning of exposed. Exposed surface area. Make heading of this firstly. Exposed surface area. Yes, exposed means फैला हुआ ज़्यादा एरिया. Okay. So exposed surface area is if the exposed surface area is large. If the exposed surface area is large, अगर surface area large है, means area हमारा बड़ा है. अगर water इतने लेवल पे, मीन्स वाटर है और एक है इतने लेवल पे वाटर, तो ज़्यादा जल्दी कौन सा ड्राई होगा, ज़्यादा जल्दी कौन सा इवेपोरेट होगा? ज़्यादा वाला, बिकॉज ज़्यादा स्पेस में है तो वो जल्दी इवेपोरेट. अगर जो कम स्पेस में है, वो डाउन तक जा रहा है, वो लेट इवेपोरेट होगा. दैट इज अबाउट द एक्सपोज सर्फेस एरिया. इफ द एक्सपोज सर्फेस एरिया इज लार्ज, द इवेपोरेशन रेट विल बी फास्टर. द इवेपोरेशन rate will be faster. यहाँ पर हमारा फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन लॉन्ग खत्म हो रहा है. राइट इट. Yes, hope you all have done this question. We have done today 2 questions short and 1 long question answers, right? And now 2 long questions are left that we will do in the next session, means tomorrow. And what you are going to do now, I am giving you now homework. What is the homework of the day? Homework of the day is learn lesson 4 eating together completely. आपको पूरा learn करना है उसे अच्छे से, and सभी चैप्टर्स अच्छे से लर्न होने चाहिए आपको. सो लर्न लेसन 4 ईटिंग टुगेदर, एंड आई एम गिविंग यू 1 वर्कशीट ऑफ द लेसन 5 दैट इज सोर्सेज ऑफ वाटर दैट वी आर डूइंग. उस चैप्टर के वर्कशीट आई एम गिविंग यू. नाउ आई एम टेलिंग यू व्हाट यू हैव टू डू इन दैट वर्कशीट, एंड आई विल सेंड दिस वर्कशीट ऑन व्हाट्सएप. So first question is, name the following sources of water. Some pictures are given and you have to write the name of the sources of water. And then second question is, there are some words given in the unscramble words given. You have to scramble them, and fill-ups are given. You have to fill them. Understand? And then the question number 3 is, there are some pictures given. 2 assignments are given, some pictures given. Like first question is, 2 containers are shown here. 2 containers are given, and from which container will water evaporate quickly? कौन से कंटेनर से वाटर जल्दी इवेपोरेट करेगा, और उसका रीजन भी लिखना है आपको. अभी मैंने आपको सारा अच्छे से समझाया है अबाउट. इन फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन भी हमने पढ़ा कि वाटर इवेपोरेट कब जल्दी होता है, कंटेनर कैसा होना चाहिए, कैसा नहीं, मीन्स एक्सपोज सरफेस एरिया होगा तभी जल्दी होगा. सो आपको उसका प्रॉपर रीजन भी लिखना है. एंड देन सेकेंड क्वेश्चन इज राहुल हैज केप्ट कंटेनर ए अंडर द शेड ऑफ ट्री. ये कंटेनर ए है और ये कंटेनर बी है. राहुल ने इस कंटेनर को शेड ऑफ ट्री के नीचे रख दिया, मीन्स छाया में रख दिया. एंड कंटेनर बी इन ओपन बालकनी, बालकनी में रख दिया कंटेनर बी को जो ओपन है, जहां पर सनलाइट आ रही है. फ्रॉम विच कंटेनर विल वाटर इवेपोरेट क्विकली. अब आपको ये बताना है कौन से कंटेनर से वाटर जल्दी इवेपोरेट करेगा. एंड यू हैव टू गिव रीजन फॉर योर आंसर ऑल्सो. That is your work. And fourth question is what is meant by evaporation? Evaporation क्या होता है? And the fifth is crossword puzzle is given. आपको कुछ क्वेश्चन दिए गए हैं. Across means होता है this side and down means this side. So आपको यहाँ पर इसमें फिल करना होगा. ये crossword puzzle दिया गया है, इसमें आपको फिल करना होगा. And I am giving you 2 days for this worksheet. 2 days दे रही हूँ. 2 not 2. There are 3-4 days. Right, so I will discuss this worksheet on Monday, not tomorrow. We will discuss this worksheet on Monday, and you have to do this in your EVS notebook. And if you can take print out, so you can paste it in your EVS notebook. And that is all for today. Thanks for watching.